Like all CAD systems, Revit has grid and snap tools. Many of these operate in the background without much attention. However, from the Manage menu, one can make settings for snap tools. The keyboard shortcuts for snap tools are especially useful. There are many snaps operating without attention. Lines prefer to be parallel or perpendicular. The align command is also very useful. A model line on one plane may be aligned with a model line on another plane. Once an element is aligned, you can lock it to retain that alignment even if the host element is moved. Multiple objects can become stacked on top of one another in a particular projection or view. By placing the cursor in one location and then pressing and releasing on the Tab key, one can select sequentially all of the objects in one location. Make sure that you do not move the mouse. Just let go and raise your hand, and that you tap the Tab key rather than hold it down. Note that in many cases you can find not only a line, but an endpoint of a line using Tab selecting. Control Select is a way to select more than one element. A window select can also select multiple elements. If multiple elements are selected, Shift Select will deselect just one element. Save the file as a project file with name 02.rvt. Close the file.